Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Hawaii Vlog Day 2. We just got a nice little water area over here. We're getting food. It's the only place open at 5 a.m. or 5:30. He's getting a coffee for him and my mom, and I got a cinnamon roll. So we're going scuba diving today at 7:30, I think. That's why we're up so early. And my next video is already posted. Hope you guys liked it. It was a little short because we didn't really do anything but fly. We didn't go to the pool after because we were all tired. So this is going to be a pretty good day today. Peace. Smoothies was really good. You guys have fun.
Are you enjoying your trip?
Yeah, it's good.
What did you do today?
I already know.
How do I know?
We went scuba diving and snorkeling.
What else? Well, we got back to the hotel.
Oh, we went in the pool.
And who went on the slide?
Me and Dad. You didn't.
And now we came to see the cliff diver and the sunset. The sunset in Maui. Wow, you can't even see it. I stopped it.
Alright, we got our food. You got a grilled chicken salad. What'd you get?
I got similar, but it's a different kind of lettuce.
Different lettuce, same thing. And I got a burger, chips, smoothie. Sunset in Maui. Look at that. It's about to go under. Wow. Sunset in Maui. Heelys on the ledge. One more try. Oh! Here we go. Can't tell it's nighttime. That was not me. Alright, last try, promise. Okay guys, everyone left, so I'm getting better. Look at this, look at this. Alright, so we go. Alright. Here we go, second try. I was on the wrong side. That's why. Eventually I'm going to be able to make it all the way around. If I had 12 days here. I think that's the best I'm going to do today. I won't be back. I don't even know if this is going to be in the video. But felt like doing that. Eat your ice cream. Alright guys, one last run, then I'll probably see you in the outro. But I'm usually wrong about those things, so peace.